Our 5-day small curve camp is the foundation of early-stage scoliosis intervention. This camp is perfect for children diagnosed with spinal curvature below 25 degrees. Since 1 in 4 children diagnosed with idiopathic scoliosis have an increased genetic predisposition of developing moderate to severe spinal deformity, it is important to take a proactive approach rather than opting for the traditional and risky watch and wait, do nothing concept that often results in the deterioration of your child's condition. Our treatment system features advanced diagnostics using ScoliSCORE genetic testing, a simple and quick saliva test that accurately predicts your child's risk of progression. We combine this with neurotransmitter testing, which addresses biochemical deficiencies, also linked to scoliosis progression risk. Based on these tests, we can then design a custom scoliosis treatment plan with the primary focus on decreasing and in some instances eliminating the risk of developing moderate to severe spinal deformity. By enrolling your child in our small curve camp program, we will then be able to first determine your child's risk of progression. We can then create a comprehensive, personalized treatment plan for your child's scoliosis condition. We can slow or eliminate natural scoliosis progression, and we can reduce existing spinal curvature, eliminate posture asymmetry, and induce spine and posture stability. Our doctors will provide detailed timelines, home care protocols, and treatment plans which empower parents and children. Unlike traditional physical therapy or chiropractic care, Small Curve Camp uses ScoliSMART exercises which require specialized equipment combined with a knowledgeable doctor to achieve the desired outcome. We hope that you will choose our program for your proactive scoliosis treatment. We look forward to meeting you.